Namaste and good evening. I'm thrilled to guide you through this short bedtime yoga practice. This gentle stretch routine is perfect to do before going to bed. It's going to help you to release any tension that you have. You can do this on the mat or even in your bed if you prefer. It's just a gentle stretch to release any tension. It's just to release any tension that you might still have. There's no props needed, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with opening up our hearts as we're seated. Just bringing your legs in front of you, bringing your hands behind you, and just opening up. Feeling a beautiful open of our chest, of our hearts. Just taking a couple of deep breaths here. And then bringing your foot against your inner thigh, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and just coming as far as you can. Letting your head hang. You can be here, you can be here, you can be here. There's no such thing as a perfect pose as long as you feel a stretch. You're feeling the effects of the pose. And just breathe here. Just relaxing into the pose. Letting go like a rag doll. Then coming up slowly. Let's go over to the other side. So bringing the other foot towards your inner thigh, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just coming down. Breathing in deeply and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Go a bit further if you can, or ease off if you need to. And then coming back up. And then bringing both legs in front, stretching up. And then coming down. Maybe you're here, maybe you're here, maybe you're here. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on your back and the back of your legs. Just taking deep breaths here. And then coming up. Now we're going to come onto the floor. Taking our knees in one direction and our head over the other. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on the back and our necks. Relax into the pose. And then coming to the center with your head and your legs. And let's go over to the other side. Breathing deeply. Bringing to the center. Let's do it one more time. Knees go one way, head the other way. Maybe you can do some hip rotations one way. And then the other way. And then bringing the knees and head to the center and going the other way. Again, let's do some hip rolls one way. Slow and gentle rotations. And then the other way. And then bringing your knees and head to the center and just allowing your legs to flop open. And just feeling a wonderful stretch on your inner thigh. Just relaxing here. Just taking a couple of deep breaths. And then gently bringing your knees together and bringing them to your chest, giving yourself a hug. Maybe you want to roll from side to side. And then an option, you can bring your hands behind your thighs, just swaying from side to side. You can even come into something. This is called happy baby, and just moving from side to side. You can maybe stretch one leg and stretch the other leg, maybe widening your legs, just moving from side to side. And then gently bringing your feet down, straightening your legs. Now you can stay here and just go off to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this practice. You have a wonderful night's rest. Do subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube. If you enjoy this practice and you feel somebody else may benefit, share with them so they can benefit too. So I'm going to leave you here, and I look forward to practicing with you again on the mat. And so until next time, namaste.